Tricky spraying job? Weeds on the paths and in the borders? Dirty windows? Cleaning the car? Or the oven? Misting your houseplants? Doing the ironing? Whatever the job, there's a Defender's Always sprayer that's the perfect design and size. Comfortable to hold and not too heavy. And the best bit, they work sideways and even upside down, making it easy to reach difficult places. Adjustable nozzles for fine mist or powerful jet. Perfect for treating the greenfly. Applying fence treatments. Indoor spraying. Outdoor spraying. In the home. In the garden. Greenhouse. Car. Caravan. Boat. Bike. Great value, reliable quality, infinitely versatile. Defender's Always sprayers, whatever the job. Choose your Great Value Always sprayer and take it to the checkout now.